An exciting event is coming up soon. You won't want to miss the Healthcare Services Summit at ISSA headquarters May 5th and 6th, 2026. It's an event that continues to bring together the very best in healthcare, cleaning, and infection prevention. And speaking of cleaning and cleaning in healthcare, cleaning everything, it's my pleasure today to get to know one of our valued event sponsors, KleenMark. They don't simply support this event, but they are key partners in keeping surfaces clean and healthy and in shaping the conversations and real-world solutions that make it all happen. And joining me today is Linda Liebert, Executive Director of the Healthcare Services Institute, a division of ISSA, along with two from KleenMark, Michael Staver and Yuritsi Gonzalez. Welcome to the program. Introduce yourself and tell us about your company and what you do for the industry and the people you serve. And Mike, let's start with you.
Yeah, thanks, Jeff. My name's Michael Staver. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for KleenMark. I've been in the industry for about 14 years now. KleenMark has been in business for 65 plus years. KleenMark started as a distribution company with chemical consumables and equipment approximately 65 years ago. And in 2000, we shifted into being also a cleaning company. So that holistic model has really helped us build a really good foundation to be able to have all the controls, to be not only a janitorial provider, but also a distribution organization and a full-on consultant for in-house providers as well as other BSCs. We are 60% in the medical and highly regulated verticals. So those organizations that are typically doing GMP processes, quality audits, and also certifications such as SIMS and ISO. We have approximately 1,200 employees right now. We're based here in Wisconsin, but we do provide services nationally. We're 90% self-performing. The other 10% is with preferred partners.
Well, Mike, I can tell why Linda likes KleenMark. You specialize in her world. So thank you for the details. Yuritsi, let's talk to you now. Why don't you share a little bit about yourself and add to what Mike had to offer there? What does KleenMark do for the industry? And I think you work specifically in what we're talking about today.
Well, my name is Yuritsi. I've been with the company for 15 years now, and I'm the branch manager. I oversee the medical side of things. I oversee our services in clinics, hospitals, biotech areas, clean rooms, and what Mike forgot to add is that we are very proud of the job that we do, and we also like to teach others how we do things. Hence, we've created our Clean 360 program to not only for ourselves, but to guide others in the industry who want to provide a quality service and be safe out there for our customers.
I want to touch on something that Yuritsi mentioned, the Clean 360 model, which starts with the scope of work and the SOP. It leads into chemicals, equipment, training, but then it really gets into the actual validation, right? So we have the aesthetic, where we look at validation based off of joint inspections, what's pleasing to the eye, if you will. But then there's the beyond that, and that's the surface testing. So we've partnered with Kikomet, and we do the ATP, AMP, ADP testing, where we are actually looking at the surface, measuring what's on the surface, and be able to really see, are we cleaning, which is technically just removing soil, or are we actually sanitizing, disinfecting, and making that space healthy and safe?
So, Linda, I'm sure you really value the sponsorship with KleenMark. I believe it's her second time sponsoring the event. Talk about how you feel.
It is. In fact, when HSI merged with ISSA, Mike was one of the first people that we worked with around. He wanted to expand his business further in the healthcare market space with a particular client. And so, I have a special relationship, I think, with them because he is one of the great success stories. He actually, and I'm going to share this really quickly, he actually went in and they were going to do operating rooms. And operating rooms have short turnover times. And Mike actually pushed back and said it was a terminal clean, I believe. And he actually pushed back and said, "Why do you want me to do this so quickly? I can't clean it the way that you really want it done. So I either need more time or I need more people." And, that is a true EVS professional that can actually say, "Look, I want to make sure this room is clean and right for the next patient. And so let's work together to achieve that." And I love telling that story because I like to empower other BSCs to do the same thing.
I'm sure they don't mind that one bit. So thank you, Linda. Mike, let's go to you. Besides what was already shared, what drew you to this Healthcare Services Summit, and why is it important that you be involved? I think you feel like you must be.
Well, first off, I have to give all that kudos to Yuritsi. I've been speaking on behalf of the team and being able to see her rise and be able to be on these platforms. She's really the one doing it, and she knows what we need, and her voice is obviously incredibly important. But when it comes to HSI joining forces with ISSA, the truth behind it is we need to raise the standards. We need to have some sort of regulation here, right? So we work with a variety of healthcare clients, and everybody does it differently. So when I met with Linda and I got to see what the vision was, that was what pulled us into it. We know this is important. Um, this is about getting consistency and what's right? So it's cleaning for health, and that's what this is all about. So being able to be an alliance with HSI and ISSA on this, it's a privilege for KleenMark. We want to be a part of it. We want to help any way we can, and we want to be able to help train, consult, and do it the right way. Right? We want to clean for health. We don't want to just clean based off of a scope. Mm-hmm. And like Linda said, it's not about efficiency necessarily on all these things, right? It's not about cost savings. It's about making sure that the patient, the client, whoever is being in that space is safe, right? And we want them to feel safe, and we want their family to feel confident that they're going to be safe.
It's a great philosophy. Thank you, Mike. Idrisi, add to what Mike just said there, but also I wanted to ask about more on the alignment side. Your goals, your work you do at KleenMark, how does that align with the goals of the Healthcare Services Summit from your perspective?
Well, we like to say here at KleenMark that our green dot, it's clean. Well, we like to take it a step above and like to say that we clean for health, not only for aesthetics, Jeff, because for the past years, we've been used to, like, if it looks clean, it's clean. But we don't know that, especially in highly regulated areas. We need to go a step above that and make sure we're actually cleaning the way we're supposed to be cleaning. I always like to create conscience with our team members out there and tell them, like, what if it was your son, the one getting an operation? What if it was your mom, the one getting an operation? So that kind of triggers something in your head, like, oh, wait, you are correct. You're right. We got to do this the right way, because the life of the patient can be on our hands, especially for those hospital-acquired infections. So, yeah, I'm just really happy and proud that Mike decided to be part of this organization, and I couldn't be more excited of what's to come.
Thank you. Nice thoughts. Linda, we're going to wrap it up with you, and I want to offer a bonus question here. Yuritsi mentioned cleaning for health, and in a hospital, I got to think that that's got to be the law. It's got to be top of mind, and I think with this group it is, and with the summit. Touch on that a little bit and wrap it up with why it's important to register now.
That's very true. It's really important that what we're trying to do is clean what we cannot see. And so the protocols and the standards and the requirements around cleaning and disinfection really need to be set so that you can establish what is the baseline for clean and where is the safety. And I know that Mike has been very active. His organization has been very active in creating guidelines around validating clean, which does not exist. And oftentimes people do not realize that there are no regulatory requirements that manufacturers of products, equipment, and in particular surfaces be tested and validated that you can actually clean and disinfect them effectively and without damage. So it is so important that we address this issue, and that's what the summit does. We have put together, in fact, it's going to be unveiled at the summit, our HEHP, which is the Healthcare Environmental Hygiene Professional, because it's more than just cleaning, will be released at the summit. And we're really excited about that. And we've got a lot of other things that we're working on around validation of testing. We're doing a lot of research and evaluating innovation. And all of those topics will be covered at the summit. So why is it important to register now? We are over halfway full. We only have 120 seats. We want to make sure that it stays small because this is a very active working summit. So people listen to speakers, but they also are looking for gaps and solutions. And so you spend a lot of time working. If it got any bigger, it'd be very difficult to achieve what we can achieve. So when we leave the summit, there's actual work that will go on, and we gain momentum as we collaborate together at the summit. So register today. Seats are limited, and we look forward to seeing everybody at the summit.